Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Nursery To Varsity. In today's lecture, we're gonna see how to do anonymous browsing using Tor proxy chain using Ubuntu. So let's get started.
Now open your Linux operating system, install proxy chains. For that, open terminal, type sudo apt install proxy chains, type your password, and within some time you will see it install proxy chains for you successfully. Now we have to install Tor. For that you have to type sudo apt install Tor, type y. Now we have to edit the proxychain.config file in etc folder. Now you have to type cd hash etc. Now type sudo nano proxy chains.conf. Now you have to select dynamic chain instead of strict chains. Okay. Now you have to go all the way down to the bottom of the page and change the socks 4 to socks 5. Alright, now you have to save it. Click Y, enter. Okay, now you have to start the Tor service. For that you have to write start service Tor start. Alright, now you have to type the password. Alright, now you have to start the proxy chain. For that you have to type proxy chains. Now you have to type the name of browser you want to use. I'm using Firefox, which is default browser in Linux Ubuntu. Now you have to type the name of website you want to visit. I want to visit www.example.com. Make sure your browser is not open before you type this command, otherwise it will not work. Alright, now press enter and you can see the proxy chain has started. Now you are anonymous on the website you are visiting. Now no one can intercept you to your true IP address in any ways. So you are totally anonymized on the internet now. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed watching our video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask them all in comment section below.